It's been a while. Coffee is required all day, every day. What's happening, guys? Welcome in. My name as always is Dave Major and welcome to the channel. How you all doing? Hope you're all well. Today's video is kind of a catch-up video because it's been a little while since I posted anything on YouTube, and I apologize for that. It's been a bit of a roller coaster. My daughter was born in early November. It's been December. It's been a manic few months of trying to adjust to that whole new fatherhood thing. It's amazing, and it's really aligned my thinking in what I actually want to do with this space here, with my online lesson website, with my business in general. So I've decided the main thing I'm going to do is take more time. Take more time over each video, give more thought to each video, put more effort into each video that I put out. It doesn't have to be every week, it doesn't have to be, 3-minute lessons. In-depth lessons, in-depth concepts is where I'm at as a teacher, as a player, and I want to share that with you. I want to do more personal stuff, I want to do collaborations, I just generally want to do things, videos that I want to see, that I would watch. So today's video is all about my studio because I get loads of questions about it, and it's been ages since I actually posted my studio build vlog, link up here. Bing. It's actually been over 10 months since I moved in, and a lot has changed since then. I've upgraded the gear, I've got more comfortable in the space, and I just want to show you around, show you the construction, show you the audio treatment, show you the audio solutions that I've got, the mics, the drums, and the filming setup. Now this video is going to be in 3 parts. First part is going to be today, and that is going to be the construction of the room, what is actually in it, how have I made it a functioning filming area. Second part is going to be the audio. I'm talking mics, I'm talking drums, cymbals, heads, sticks. I could talk about cables, I'll talk about interfaces and Cubase and all the sort of stuff I'm doing to capture the audio. And then finally, part 3 is going to be all about the visuals, the look of the room. It's going to be the backdrop, it's going to be the cameras. We're going to talk about lighting and things I'm doing to shape the space and make it the way I want it to be. Now let's start with the room itself. Firstly, it is significantly bigger than my last room. You'll see some of the previous videos on the channel where it's in a small white contained box. Now that was perfect for teaching, which is the main thing that I do with my day, but it made filming very hard. I had to move everything out, I had to put stuff back in, there wasn't height to put lights up. I was sort of restricted in what I could do. This is significantly bigger. Now this is 2.8 meters tall. It is, the back length here is 6 meters. That bit is 6 meters. The filming length is 3.5. It's perfect size for a filming teaching space. Most of the walls are concrete. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 concrete walls, and then there's 3 little stud walls. And they've got a concrete ceiling, which means vibrations don't go anywhere, and there's a concrete roof with nobody above me. So that means that any noise is basically not an issue. You might not have a concrete room, you might have neighbors above, so you have to do some soundproofing. So on the stud walls, the non-concrete walls, what we've done is we have padded them out. We've made them double thickness, we've padded them with rock wool, and we've put what's called sound block insulation on them. Now sound block is just plasterboard that is double density, designed to block sound. Now the main purpose of moving into a larger space and investing in that was to have multiple filming areas, to basically be able to mix things up. So right now we're in one of my sets. This is the talking head set, I've called it. We've got my shelves behind me. I've got actually my storeroom, I've got a whole shelf full of props and different things I can put on if I want to mix things up and change it around. It's basically just little things, life events. We've got 2 fake plants. We've got a little thing from my wedding. We've got a visit from San Francisco. We've got all that sort of stuff. So I can just mix it up, make it look more personal, and it's a nice different look that I've got going on instead of just always being sat behind the drum kit. Now the main set is actually the drum kit filming area. That's where this drum kit is always set up. That's where the rigging is above it, which have got the sound panels. It's got the mics coming down from it, and it's got the lights and the hair light and all that sort of stuff I've got going on there. And that is designed to kind of be set. I can actually set up my lights, my cameras, all that sort of stuff, and actually leave them there, and it doesn't affect my teaching area or my other sort of actually being able to move around the room. I think one thing I will do this year is add some laminate floor underneath this filming area. I just want to brighten it up a little bit, and then probably match the color of the floor with redoing those wooden audio waveforms. I think the black is just sucking all the life out of it. So I'm gonna do that, and then probably work on the lighting, being able to add some down lights, uplighters, some extra lights that can sort of shape the backdrop a bit more. The final set in the room is the office area, and that is purposefully all white, so that there's a nice contrast between the dark area of the filming, the kind of mixed area behind me here, and then the white area over there. And the great thing about having that contrast there is that I can mix up any videos. If I want to do a Cubase video, for example, in the next video where we're talking about the audio, will be over there. If I wanted to do anything where I'm just doing a Q&A or something, I could do it over there, and it just mixes things up. So when you are designing your own room, maybe think about having some different spaces. Even something as simple as a different backdrop that you can wheel in and wheel out will make your videos look different and will allow you to have your content, I hate that word, being just mixing it up and keeping it fresh for yourself and for anyone watching. Now, one of the disadvantages of having a concrete box is that it is very, very zingy. Zing. So what I've done is I have built some acoustic, what's called baffles, and basically it's just a frame. I've stuffed it with rock wool and I've wrapped it in some fabric. I think this year, along with the laminate floor, probably redoing the carpet, I'll invest a little bit more in the acoustic treatment. I think I do want to contain the drum filming area a little bit and maybe build some movable baffles or some little things I can do to really deaden the sound in certain areas. So that's really it. That is the space that I create videos in. And it's been amazing to allow me to have that extra space to really sculpt it and make things look the way I want them to look. Of course, it's a process of constant improvement, but I'm happy with where it is, especially considering we kind of moved in, I had this plan, and it just kind of worked. So in part 2, we're going to be talking about the audio, the mics, the drums, the heads, all of the cool stuff. So make sure you tune in for that, but thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later. Take care.